So this is just a broad question around how banks have been operating and also the opportunities. So really, you've been riding on the cashless society in Zimbabwe because there's plastic money and also platforms such as EcoCash have also benefited. What happens when you then move to probably a cash-light economy where we actually use bills to pay?
Well, I think it would be interesting to see how the customers respond. I must state that some of the digital methods of transacting that customers are using are very expensive. Certainly, I've been told of commissions of as high as 30% or 35%. So I think when bills become available, if those commissions remain that high, customers will be obviously be forced to revert to the bills. So I think the market needs to be a little bit more responsible, ensure that we charge fairly, and ensure that we've got a reasonable balance between bills and digital currencies. I think that we will still maintain a certain percentage favoring digital. I think a lot of people now are used to just swiping, using mobile money. From banks, it's also easy to process those transactions. Efficiencies improve, reconciliations are minimized. So I do hope that we don't revert completely to a society that is cash-based.
Yeah. And you're also running with a digitization strategy, probably just to share with us some of the initiatives that you're really pushing at.
Well, we're looking at ensuring that our systems and procedures are digitalized. You remember that we were the first bank that went on to paperless in the front office a few years ago. That brought us very significant gains. I think the initiative then lost steam a little bit. What we're trying to do is to re-energize that initiative, ensure that we go into the middle office, we then go into the back office. We're hoping that that will improve our efficiencies, ensure that we'll be able to serve our customers better, but above all, it should assist us in reducing our costs of operations. We would like to digitize our systems. It's obviously a very expensive exercise, so we'll have to do it in phases. We think that it's a $20 million US project, but we will have to spread it over a number of years. So we'll start with the middle office, and then we'll finally end with the back office.
What will be the impact on headcount? Do you expect retrenchments to come through?
I don't think so. I think what we are looking at is ensuring that we use our skills more efficiently. I think when you digitize operations, you appreciate that other areas will then require staff, like your customer services areas. So, if operations are digitized, your frontline staff then will become customer service officers who are supporting your product. And we think that we will be able to make use of the very rich IT skills in Zimbabwe. A lot of companies are offshoring to India, and we think that we'll be able to use our own local programmers and IT experts to assist us with our operations, thereby creating employment within Zimbabwe rather than exporting jobs.
So you're not in favor of a lean structure, like as is the trend elsewhere? I think we've seen other banks
but
just
I think
going
the lean structures have been on the back of exporting jobs. I'm talking about lean structures that also benefit Zimbabwe. Why should we continue exporting jobs to places like India when we've got equally skilled IT experts that are operating in this market? That's the only way we can grow our economy. That's the only way we can grow our IT sector, by getting them to do some of these things that we've been exporting to India. I'm excited about the IT sector. We've got a lot of IT skills in this country. We've got a lot of bright young people, and I would like to see them given the opportunity to develop core banking systems, to develop surround systems around payments, give them an opportunity to showcase their skills. And I think going forward, Zimbabwe must be one of the big IT hubs in Southern Africa.
It's a good point, actually. Being overlooked at the moment. We don't even have an ICT policy. That's how bad it is. But thank you so much for coming to our little program. And I think we'll send you the link afterwards. We'll take a short break and then we'll come back for the papers. Please stay tuned.
Thanks for having me. Cheers.
Cheers.